Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Leena and these are the headlines. Union Jal Shakti Minister Ratan Lal Kataria tells Rajya Sabha that 11 Goan rivers including Mandavi and Zuari are in country's polluted rivers list. Cases on rise including in Goa. 5 states are mainly responsible for 80% of the currently active COVID-19 cases in the country. Withdrawals, unopposed elections, wins mark today's election process as all eyes on Supreme Court order on reservations. Sargaukar FC defeat Youth Club of Manora 2-1 in Goa Pro League match at Durer, climb to the top of the table. And now for the news in detail. 11 Goan rivers including the Mandavi and Zuari are in country's list of 323 polluted rivers. Union Minister of State for Jal Shakti Ratan Lal Kataria told the Rajya Sabha on Monday in his written reply. The state has been in constant denial of this. However, now the centre has made this statement based on monitoring of the pollution control boards, both local and central. Here's more.
Goan rivers Sal, Mandavi, Talpona, Asnora, Bicholim, Shapora, Khanepar, Sikeri, Tirakol, Walwanti and Zuari are on the list of most polluted rivers. The Mandavi, home to 14 casinos, at least 5 of them. Second one is Zuari River. The river has eco-sensitive zones and is home to marine life along the Sankwal village. Many villagers are dependent on this river to fish out oysters and mussels from the coast. Zuari River is coming under the list of polluted river when MPT is under fire for coal handling and extension of the coal handling berth. Now another river on the list is Walwanti River flowing in Chief Minister Pramod Sawant's Sakli constituency. 2 years back, Goa 365 has flashed the news of E. coli bacteria and oil spills from pumping station was found in Walwanti River. Main cause behind E. coli bacteria was open defecation in the river. When Chief Minister Pramod Sawant was Speaker and Sakli MLA, he had promised to act on the matter. Watch the promises made by the present Chief Minister at that time.
की उदकांत थोडेशे कोलायज जे आसा म्हणजे लोक संडास सोडल्या कारणान संडास केल्या कारणान कोलायज जे आसा ते मेळपाक लागले म्हणून ऑलरेडी हांवें इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिली आनी पयर जे नौका न्हंय पदां जी आशिल्ली दिसता हांवें लोकांक अपील केलें की आमची न्हंय जी आसा पळय न्ही ही आमीच सांबाळून दवरची पडटली आनी ती जर आमकां शुद्ध दवरतले आसत जाल्यार आमी एक्टीव जावपाक जाय म्हणून पयर कालच्या दिसात ती मिटींग जाली बट योगायोगान त्या मिटींगेक हांव प्रेजेंट रावंक शकलो ना पण आमचे WRD मामलेदार प्रवीण जे पंडीत आसतलो PI आसतलो हांची सगळ्यांची जॉयंट मिटींग जावन इवन जो प्रेस मिडिया आनी वॉलंटियर्स हे आयिल्ले ताज्याय पयलीं थोड्या जाणांनी ते न्हंयतले सगळें काडप हो विशय चालू केला सो दॅट आमी कंटिन्युअसली फॉलोअप घेवन सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाच्या बरोबर न्हंयेन आनी कांय उडोवचें न्ही कोणी जर ड्रेनेज वॉटर सोडटाले ते सोडचें न्ही न्हंयच्या कांठाचेर संडास करचें न्ही हाच्या खातीर सत्र आनी ती काळजी घेवप सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाक ऑलरेडी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिला आनी हेन्स फोर्थ विल टेक केअर ऑफ द वाळवंटी रिवर.
Walwanti's neighboring river, Bicholim River too, is in list. 1 year ago, Goa 365 had highlighted the news of sewage from septic tanks directly released in Bicholim River and washing of clothes in the river causing heavy damage to river. However, a year has passed till no action on this. Next on the list is Sal River in the heart of Salsette. Goa 365 in last month had shown that dredging and waste release in the river Sal has resulted into the entire river getting polluted. The color of the water has turned black, but till date no action from the authorities concerned, leaving behind the locals and especially the dependents into trouble. Samip Narvekar with Irsha Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panaji.
The COVID-19 cases in India have started increasing once again. Mainly 5 states are contributing to the rise, with 80% of the active cases from there. These active cases are rising in India for the last 26 days since February 24. In Goa too, the cases in certain areas are on the rise.
On February 24th, the active cases were below 1.50 lakhs. Now they stand at 1.87 lakhs. The country reported 15,388 COVID-19 cases and 77 deaths in last 24 hours, taking the total cases to 1,12,44,786 and death toll to 1,57,930. Around 18 states and United Territories did not report any COVID-19 related deaths. Out of total cases, 1.8 crore cases are recovered cases, which represent 96.3% to total case load. Death toll has surged past 1.57 lakh, which represent 1.40% of total case load. Active cases stands at 1.87 lakhs, representing 1.67% of total cases. Here are the state in focus in daily new case trajectory released by Union Health Ministry. Maharashtra reported 8,744 cases in last 24 hours, followed by Punjab 1,229, Tamil Nadu 556, Madhya Pradesh 427, Gujarat 555, Karnataka 436, Delhi 239 and Haryana 231. Here are the 6 states which contribute 84% of daily COVID-19 cases in the country. Maharashtra is in top position to report 8,744 COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours, followed by Kerala 1,412 cases, Punjab 1,229 cases, Tamil Nadu 556, Gujarat 555 and Karnataka 436 cases. The COVID-19 situation in Goa is also on the way up. There was surge in active cases last time, but in the past few days the curve of active cases is fluctuating, but percentage wise for the past so many days is above 4%. The active cases stands at 632, with cumulative cases being 55,463. Panaji is hotspot of COVID-19 with 92 active cases, most number of cases, followed by Margao 88 cases. However, Valpoi and Madkai managed to bring the tally of active cases to 0. But next day, one person was tested positive next month, taking number to 1. Fortunately, the deaths in the state have been very minimal, including nil. Thane Municipal Commissioner has imposed a complete lockdown till March 31st in COVID-19 hotspot areas in Thane city. So far, 16 areas have been marked as a hotspot in the city. The order issued by Thane Municipal Commissioner Vipin Sharma said the decision was taken due to the rise in COVID-19 cases in this area in the past few days. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Fatarda police detained 3 persons suspected to be involved in the Fatarda double murder case at Dadar, Mumbai, SP South Pankaj Kumar Singh said on Tuesday.
Fatardekars had woken up to the news of a brutal murder at Chandrawada on Monday. A 65-year-old contractor, Miguel Miranda, and his 85-year-old mother-in-law were found brutally murdered in their home. Police say that the accused then escaped using Miranda's motorcycle. Police brought them back. Watch. Recently, notorious history sheeter Anwar Sheikh was assaulted in the broad daylight in Fatarda and suffered a bullet injury as 2 gangs clashed over sand mining and drugs. Few months back, goldsmith Swapnil Walke was stabbed to death in broad daylight in his own shop, forcing people to question on the lack of fear of the law. People on the condition of anonymity say that the police catch the culprits, but more often they are released quite soon, and the vast majority are either out roaming around pending trial or acquitted, as conviction rates even among heinous crimes is not up to the mark.
Cases which have taken place in and around Fatarda in the last 1 month. एक केस आशिल्ले आमचे गँगस्टराचे, where there was a gangster shootout आणि पुलीस तेन्नाच थंय जाग्यार पावली आणि म्हणून ते साल्वार जाले आणि then there was subsequently in the next few days 12 people were arrested, gangsters. असले आमची परिस्थिती की गँगस्टर्स आसा. आणि त्याच्या उपरांत 20th फेब्रुवारीचेर आतांच 20th फेब्रुवारीचेर आनी एक केस जाल्ली where there were 4 criminals in the dead of the night, 3 a.m. They went and attacked the home of a reputed person, a principal, where they have then burnt his car. ताचे गाडी तेणी 4 जाणांनी लासोइन काडले. There will be arrests. I am sure that the police are going to arrest these people. But मागीर कितें जाता? Only when there is a murder there are arrests. आनी दुसरे क्रायमाक कांयच इन्वेस्टिगेशन जावपा न्ही. As of 20th February for the year 2021, there were 18 cases pending in the Fatorda police station. 18 cases. So new cases, and that means at the rate of 10 cases per month around average. म्हळ्यार 10 cases solve करूं जायना. कितें चल्लां मागीर? आनी solve करूं जायना जाल्यार आमी कितें करपाचें? Because police are saying that they are patrolling. They are patrolling little bit. It's not very effective. It is not often. And despite patrolling, जर अशे घटना घडटा म्हळ्यार ताचे अर्थ कितें? There is lack of protection from the police in this area. This area is not being looked at by the police. Yes, murders can take place anywhere. It can happen, no doubt. But there is a pattern in which the people, the accused, the criminals operate. जे हिस्ट्री शीटर्स आसा तांकां कळटा ओके हांवें दाखलें कितें केलें जाल्यार पुलीस म्हाका कांयच करना म्हूण मागीर ते एम्बोल्डन जाता आनी मागीर ते आनी पण करता. आनी दुसरे क्रिमिनल जे आसा तांकां दिश्टी पडटा न्ही अच्छा पुलीस कांय करना, ताका कांय केलें ना, ताकाय कांय केलें ना म्हळ्यार म्हाका अशें करपा जाता. दॅट इज द message which is being sent out by, it appears, the police at present.
Sandeep Tuekar for Guwahati 65 from Fatorda.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Altogether, 111 candidates had filed nominations for Margao Municipal Council election. Out of this, 21 have withdrawn their candidatures. This leaves 90 candidates for the 25 wards of the municipality.
Tuesday was the final day to withdraw nominations. In Margao, 21 candidates withdrew from the fray, leaving 90 candidates in the contest. Returning officer Jyoti Kumari gave us details.
There were 111 candidates who were validly nominated. Out of them, 21 have withdrawn their candidature. So for 25 wards in Margao Municipal Council, there are 90 candidates in the fray now. There are 2 candidates in total of 6 wards. Ward number 2, 16, 17, 19, 21 and 22. There are 3 candidates in 6 wards. Ward number 4, 5, 6, 12, 13 and 18. There are 4 candidates in 7 wards. Ward number 7, 10, 11, 20, 23, 24, 25. There are 5 candidates in 5 wards. Ward number 1, 3, 8, 14 and 15. And there is 7 candidates in 1 ward, which is ward number 9, which is the highest number of candidates. So this is the status with the after the withdrawal today.
In Kepe, Ward 7, Chiturananta Shetkar withdrew his nomination form. As a result, candidate Desh Naik was declared elected unopposed. Similarly, Sujita Shirvaikar was declared elected unopposed after her rival too withdrew from the fray.
आज आम्ही अनअपोज येवपाचे सगळी श्रेय आमचे चंद्रकांत कोडेकर डेप्युटी सीएम म्हणटा तेन्ना आमचे बाकीची कामां आमची सरान केल्यातूच पूण आतां जी डेव्हलपमेंटची कामां आसा ती मुखारूय हांव डेप्युटी सीएमाची घेवन नजरा खाला हाडून सगळीं करून घेतलें.
आमोणे गांव सेंट फ्रांसीस कॉलनी जे वाडे आहात तेजे भरपूर डेव्हलपमेंट जो आमचो डेप्युटी सीएम आहा बाबू कोळेकराक खालाक थंय भरगोस्त म्हळ्यार भरपूर डेव्हलपमेंट जो क्रोर्स ऑफ रुपीज जे गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन हाडून आमची वाडा घालून थंय सुंदरकाय दाखयले कडेन आसा त्या खातीर आयज हांव अनअपोज येयला अशें सगळें श्रेय आमची गांवच्या लोकांक म्हाजी वार्ड नंबर 7 लोकांक तशेंच मेन म्हणल्यार आमचे डेप्युटी सीएम बाबू कोळेकराक.
तेका चोडो आतां म्हजो बरो फ्रेंड तेणें आनी कितें कितें तशें काय नासलें तें तेणें एक उमेद आसली फॉर्म भरपाची तेणें एक फॉर्म भरलें आनी आपली एक तयारी पण तेणें केली आनी तेन्ना मागीर आपल्या आमी मातशें आमगे एक्चुअली तो आमगे बरो रिलेशन बरो आसा ते फक्त आमी ताका कांय करूं नासलें व्हिडिओ पयला आसतलें फक्त आमी ताका बेश्टें जाय केलें ताका प्रेशरायज करूं ना कांय करूं ना आमी तो आमचो एक बरो मित्र आनी तेका थोडे आमचे बरो हें म्हणून कांय नासलें आमचे वाटेन.
State Election Commission officials set in motion the process of allotting symbols to the candidates in Margao.
It was recorded. तुम्ही हांगा 50 खुर्च्यो घाल्यो म्हणून आमी परत ते कॅल्क्युलेशन जाता. सो तुमकां सगळ्यांक ते एक्सपिरियन्स आसतले. Cielo Avilia camera.
Hirumale Fogwatre 65 from Vasco and Sandeep Toyekar from Margao.
On Tuesday, Margao's model residents complained to Fathoda police station that private buses parked along Old Market Circle to Margao bypass road were the blocking view of the commuters. They also demanded that speed breakers be installed on this road.
Police came to Mardel area and asked the bus drivers to remove their vehicles. Commuters say they cannot see the road ahead, especially on turns. Besides, at places the road is dug up to lay sewerage pipes.
हिंगा हे सुरेच्या काम चालू आहा. मुखार कोण येता तो कांय दिसती पडना. तेचो हे सुरेच्या काम चालू आहा. एक सायडीन बस लायले. सो ह्यो बसो हिंग लावप आनी मुखायल्यान कोण येवप कांय दिसती पडना आनी कोणाक कांय कोणना कोण येता तो. ताका लागून हांवें आमगे फातोर्डा पुलीस स्टेशनार कंप्लेन केलें त्यो बसो मातशे हिंग कोण रॉंग लावन गेला त्यो मातशे काडपाक. सो हांव मागता हे कोण बसी ओनर आहाय ते तुमकां जर जाग ना तुमगे गाडी पार्क करपाक जाल्यार तुम हूंय वचून पब्लीक रोडांचेर गाडी पार्क करूं नाकाय.
हिंगा काम चालू आहा आनी हिंगा बस आहा हांगाची ते जावपा शकता हे बस पार्किंग कोता एंट्री कितकोन हे आवाज करून कोता सारके आनी येवपाक वचपाक मातशे त्रास जातले आनी हिंगा चड कोण एक्सिडेंट जावपाक शकता स्पीड ब्रेकर ना कांय ना. हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक मागता मातशें एक करूं म्हणून आनी एक सगळे बस लायनीन लागले आनी एक काम करता ते कांय सायन बोर्ड कांय घायल ना कांय ना सो मागता मातशें रिक्वेस्ट करता गव्हर्मेंटाक मातशें खूब करूं. सो हांव मागता हिंगा पावती सगळे येता वयताय ते नुस्तें बारासून हिंगा थिंगा वयताय ते मातशें हांव मागता गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान मातशें स्पीड ब्रेकर घालची हिंगा सारके प्रॉब्लम चड जाता मातशें रिक्वेस्ट करता हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक.
जे रस्त्याक कितें जाता जे मडगांवच्यान जे कोणाक कोलवा सर्कला कडेन वचपाक जाय ते चडशे सगळे लोक ह्योच रस्तो वापरता कित्याक ह्या रस्त्यार ट्रॅफिक कमी आसता म्हणून. हांगातले जे प्रायवेट बस ओनर्स आसा जे बसी हॉटेलाक चलतात ते हाडून हांगा पार्क करता त्यो बसी पार्क केल्ल्या कारणान कितें जाता जे मुखार वयल्यातल्यान गाडी येता ती तांकां दिश्टी पडना आनी ती गाडी दिश्टी न पडल्या कारणा खातीर हांगा एक्सिडंटूय जावपाक शकता. मडगांव अशेंच आसा जो कडेन अशे हायवे जातात थंय बसेकार व्हरून बसी लायतात आनी तेजेर कोण कांय कारवाई करना. तेन्ना लोकांची मागणी आसा जे कोण अशे बसी रस्त्या सायडीक लायतात तांचेर एक्शन घेवची म्हणून. गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकर.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Almost everything involved with government departments involves a lot of paperwork and a lot of waste of time is a regular grouse of citizens. Hopefully this could help in the ease of doing business, a new mantra of this present government.
On Tuesday, Pedne's Zonal Agriculture Officer Prasad Parab informed farmers that subsidy of up to 1,50,000 rupees can be sanctioned by the Zonal Agriculture Office. Any amount above this has to be sanctioned by the Directorate of Agriculture. A farmers' Melava was organized by Zonal Agriculture Office in Pedne under Soil Health Scheme on Tuesday. It had been found out that present youth are reluctant to take up farming even though farming and horticulture are remunerative.
इतकीच आसा की जर गोंयांतल्यान जर डिलर आसा जाल्यार ती पावर ताका जी एप्रुवलाची पावर आसा ती झेडिओ कडेन आसता. म्हणजे 1,60,000 50,000 पर्यंत जर सबसिडी आसा जाल्यार झेडिओ ताका एप्रुवल दिवं शकता. पण 1,50,000 पेक्षा वयर जर आसा जाल्यार ताका ती आमकां डायरेक्टराचे एप्रुवल घेवचें पडटा. तर ही जी अवजारां जर तुमी भायल्यान हाडटले जाल्यार ती एप्रुवलाची पावर आसा ती डायरेक्टरा कडेन आसा. म्हणून जर तुमी जर कोण हाडटले जाल्यार तेणी कोटेशन भायल्या अवजाराचे हाडल्यार म्हणून हरकत ना. कोटेशन हाडून आमकां दिवचें आमी ती एप्रुवलाक डायरेक्टराक तशी ऑलरेडी स्कीम आसा तसं काय हें करपाची गरज ना. आनी अंदूच्यान सरकारान एक नवीन स्कीम हाडपाचो प्रयत्न जालो आसा सरकाराचो की एक्ट सोर्स सबसिडी म्हणजे खूब फावटी एक पायपलायनीच आसा अजून डिक्लेअर जावंक ना कदाचित आयच्या मेळाव्याक डिक्लेअर करप हें म्हाजें शिता फुडें मीठ खाल्ल्या सारकें जातलें पूण तरी आसतना सरकारचे प्रयत्न आसात की ॲड सोर्स सबसिडी मेळची म्हणून की शेतकऱ्याच्या खिशांतले पयशे न वयता समजा आमी 75% सबसिडी दिता जाल्यार सबसिडी जी आसा ती डायरेक्ट डिलराक वयतली शेतकऱ्याचे 25% जे आसात ते डायरेक्ट डिलराक तेणी दिवचे आसतले अशा पद्दतीची स्कीम हाडपाचो प्रयत्न सरकाराचो आसा.
आमी जे कितें लायता रोयता तेका माती हो मुख्य घटक जावन आसा आनी त्या मातयेची आमकां पूर्ण वळख आसपाक जाय. शेतकऱ्यांक तेजी पूर्ण जाणीव आसपाक जाय. माती म्हटल्या बरोबर मातयेंतले तेजे 16 तरेचे घटक आसात ते आमकां खबर आसपाक जाय. ते घटक कमी जास्त जाले जाल्यार कितें झाडाचेर परिणाम जाता हें आमकां खबर आसपाक जाय. तेजे बाकीचे गूण जे कितें आसा ते आमकां खबर आसपाक जाय.
जशें आमकां मनशाक आंबट तिखट गोड अशें सगळें आमच्या जिवनाक खाल्ल्या उपरांतूच आमी आनी दाश्टपुश्ट अशी आनी बरी एनर्जी आसून आमी रावता. तशीच माती बरी आसली तर तें लायिल्लें झाड बरें जातलें म्हणून पयलीं आमी मातयेचें परिक्षण करून उपरांत तें झाड त्या जाग्यार लावप. मार्गदर्शन करताले खड्डो कसो खणचो तो प्लास्टीक पोती बिती हें घालून आनी कलम जें आसता तें मुळा पासून कशें घट्ट आसचें तेंच्यांनी सांगलें सुद्दां उदाहरण दिलें. सकयलो पावो घडना जाल्यार वयली इमारत कोसळटा म्हणून सांगली. तेन्ना काजूचे कलम सुद्दां लायतना 8-9 म्हयन्याचें आसलेलें बरें लावपाक जाय हें तेंच्यांनी सांगलें.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 from Apsa.
And now for the sports news. Salgaonkar FC stayed unbeaten and the win against Youth Club of Manora took the Green Brigade to the top of the Goa Pro League table. Match number 36 was played at the Dure Stadium in Mapsa on Tuesday. Here's more.
Salgaonkar FC had 3 chances before the water break while Manora 2. Salvin Miranda gave the Green Brigade the lead in the 27th minute. The final score ended in favour of the Green Brigade. Salgaonkar FC, watch out for the Wednesday's clash between Panjim footballers and Valsang SCC. Live only on Goa 365 TV from 3:40 onwards. In the 60th minute, head coach of Youth Club of Manora was shown a yellow card for his behaviour with the 4th official. But this did not stop him. Rock continued to argue and use foul language which forced the referee Deep Govekar to red card. Youth Club of Manora's J. Williamson scored another header from the penalty area, but it turned out unlucky for the southernmost at Dulair Stadium. Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365 from Dulair.
And now for the weather. There will be no large change in maximum and minimum temperatures during 4 to 5 days. Sky will remain clear and would become partly cloudy towards afternoon or evening. Light fog or haze to prevail in early morning. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to be around 33 degrees Celsius and 23 to 25 degrees Celsius respectively.
Dry weather prevailed over Goa. The lowest minimum temperature of 24.3 centigrade was recorded at Panji and highest maximum temperature of 33 degrees C was recorded also at Panji. Highlights: no large change in maximum and minimum temperatures during 4 to 5 days. Sky will remain clear and turn partly cloudy in afternoon or evening. Possibility of fog, haze in the morning. Maximum temperatures to be around 33 to 34 degrees C. Minimum temperatures to be around 23 to 25 degrees C. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
And with that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.